Yeah, I'm just excited to get to Chicago, and I'm going to bring a lot of energy, and I can do a lot of things for the team, and not just shooting the ball. I can stretch the floor a lot, and I can help the team on rebounding, and so a lot of things.
Did you know you were going to Chicago? What first? Oh, go ahead.
I'm sorry. Lowry, just wondering, did you know before the pick that you were going to Chicago instead of Minnesota, and was that awkward at all, or what was it like at that time when you got picked?
I heard it right before the pick happened, so it wasn't really a surprise when they actually called my name, but I didn't know like too much before that.
And then they asked you to do the Timberwolves howl. I didn't know, was that kind of odd? You were asked to do that, and you're probably not going to play for them?
Do what?
When they asked you about the Timberwolves in the interview, they said to howl or something like that, right?
Yeah, most of the questions were about Chicago, so. But I'm just happy to be here, and just glad to be involved in it. Like, I'm just honored if some team organization includes me in the trade. So.
Hey, Lee Altman, NBA.com. I want to start off by saying congratulations on your big night. Looking at players in the NBA right now, are there any that you think specifically your game sort of is similar to or compares to current NBA players?
I know the game's changing all the time, so there's more and more big guys who can shoot the ball, stretch the floor, so. But I don't think there's like one exactly like me. So I'm trying to learn from everyone, just build my own game.
Are there any guys, highlights you like to watch to kind of see what they're doing or anything like that?
Like I said, there's no just one player. I like to watch everyone. Try to take a little bit of everything from those guys and add them to my game.
Absolutely, thank you.
Lori, Steve Kyler, Basketball Insiders. First of all, congratulations. Clearly, the Bulls are transitioning, going in a very different direction, probably going very young. Means a lot of minutes for you, maybe as a rookie. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, I'm definitely ready to play right away. Whatever coach asks me to do, I'm going to do, and I know I'm in good shape and I'm ready to play.
Thanks.
Alex Kennedy, Hoopsite. There have been a lot of talk about Jimmy Butler and how much the Bulls valued him. They didn't want to trade him unless they got back a lot in return. To be the guy that is coming in now and be part of that package, how much does that say about how they feel about you, and what an honor is that?
I mean, it's just a great honor to be here. So I'm blessed to be a part of a historic organization. So I'm just gonna do everything I can to help the team win.
Yes, Saska Saikoski, Helsingin Sanomat, Finland. Congratulations, this is a very, very great day for Finnish basketball and Finnish sport. And I saw you were showing a Finnish flag. So what does it mean? What do you think, what does it mean for you as a Finn to be a big number 7 here in the NBA draft?
I mean, it's a great honor to be picked by an NBA team, and that's a big thing for me, for my country, just because it's been a little while since there's been a Finnish NBA player on the court, so it's a lot of pride in that.
Hey, Chicago's obviously a very historical basketball city. What do you kind of think about that, Michael Jordan, all the history that's happened in Chicago? What does that mean to you?
I mean, just like I said, I'm really honored to be part of this organization, and can't wait to go there and do what I can. So it's just a blessing to be here, and of course, Michael Jordan, greatest player ever to play, so it's huge to be a part of it.
Definitely, thank you.
Was it a surprise then the Bulls took you? Did you have an indication they were interested in you? It didn't seem like there was as much talk about them taking you as some other teams.
No, I didn't have any idea that's going to happen. So I just knew that I didn't want to expect anything from them because I know there's going to be trades, and so anything can happen. So this is the first time going to Chicago, so looking forward to it.
And after a year in Arizona, how does it feel to go back, whether it was Minnesota or Chicago, just to go back to kind of weather like maybe you're used to a little bit?
I really don't know how it is, but I'm prepared for everything, just coming all the way from Finland. So That's Arizona and Finland, they're quite opposite, so I think I'm going to be good.
Anybody else?
Thank you. You're all set.
Can we ask in Finnish? One question in Finnish?
Sure.
Laura, kerro hiukan tällä hetkellä, mitä päässä liikkuu, minkälaisia tuntemuksia?
Ihan käsittämätön fiilis kyllä tällä hetkellä, että ei niinku oikeasti pystyisi käsittämään, niinku on mukana Bulls-organisaatiossa. Ei oikein riitä sanoja tälle.
Kuinka paljon tuossa oli käänteitä illan aikana? Kuinka hyvin Matti piti sut siinä kartalla, missä mennään?
Kyllä se takana tapahtui koko ajan kaikenlaista, että kyllä mä tiesin aika hyvin minkälainen meno siellä, että kyllä tämä yllätti silti vähän itteni.
Minkälaista on mennä tuollaiseen historialliseen organisaatioon kuin Bulls?
Ihan uskomaton fiilis, että kaikkia valmentajia ja pelaajia, ketä siellä on pelannut ja menestys, mikä niillä on ollut, niin ihan uskomaton olla osa sitä.
That's it.